gone by, and we opened about a half a dozen trades this week. Starting with this one, USDMXN. This was early on Monday. You can clearly see it lost, but this trade pays us a very important lesson in being reactive. So let me explain to you guys this right now. So this is a pretty basic contraction pattern here that I thought this was the actual contraction, the black levels, but it turns out to be this. Let me show you. It actually went all the way down here, and the contraction was this. So the trade failed, but it gave us a lesson on being reactive. I actually totally missed this trade because I didn't look into it that much, because I'm more focused on trading on the other man account. There is the take profit. You can clearly see 1, 2, and 3 being reached very quickly. Take profit 1, take profit 2, and the 100% we usually don't target, so TP1, TP2 reached very quickly with USDMXN spiking out. But this was a loss. Here's the biggest mistake that was found. There is this little contraction over here, which led to a breakout to the downside, and eventually a completion of this contraction pushing out. All the more reasons for you guys to understand why being a reactive trader is very important. So the first trade is USDMXN. It was a buy. Stop loss did get hit here, but clearly gave us a good lesson on being reactive a little bit more. So started out with a loss, but we did have some profits on other trades from last week, which we're going to go over later. Let's move on to CADJPY here, and I'll show you what's going on with CADJPY. There's the trade that we released over here. Price action went down, went back up, created a double top, gave us a better entry, and we are now double digits into profit, pushing down towards the TP. We're not too far away. I'm expecting the CAD to be quite weak, in a sense that the monetary policy hasn't been that great, as number one. And as number two, I think there could be some pushes from oil to push it down. In any case, I really don't care what's going to move it. My system says it's going to be moving towards the downside, but we do have a major level to break here, and this is right here, this level, this yellow level. So far, everything looks good, so I'm going to continue holding this, and at the break of this yellow level, I'm going to add to the sell. Moving on to the next one, EURNZD. There's the take profit, hit right there. You can see that spike. And ever since then, price trended down. We don't care what happens after take profit gets reached. Remember, we are reactive and short-term traders. My only mission is to achieve 5% plus a week. That's all I care about. I really don't care where price is going to go beyond my TP. So I released a nice video actually about being a reactive trader on this here, and here was the add-on period when price action broke this black line, and ever since then it was trending beautifully upwards, spike up, TP reached, and we're out. The next one is CAC40 sell, and I'm going to show you this here. CAC40, beautiful little contraction. We're holding this level here. We're in a profit. I did close a few selling positions and re-entered new ones because, again, we do have a major level to break, which is this here. Once this gets broken, we start adding on to our trade. All in all, looks good. It looks like a possible head and shoulders forming too. Let me show you. Where is it? It's here. So we could have this as a shoulder, head, and then shoulder again, and then back down to the TP. We'll see how that works out, but CAC, still a valid trade, still open, still in a profit. We've got two more. CADCHF, active and in a profit. Entry somewhere around here at the breakout, went a bit higher, never really went in a loss, still in a nice profit. But this one, just like the last two, also needs to break this key trading level here. So we have a resistance, support, support. If this breaks, we start adding on, especially after the 23.6 is broken. Finally, NZDUSD, this is the last trade alert we released, a nice little short-term selling position here. We entered, we were in a profit, price bounced back up, made this nice little reversal candle, and I added on another trade here. So I've got two solid trades here, increasing my take profit. Risk reward is good, take profit 45 pips away. So that's that. It's looking good. These are the trades from the previous week. Now the week before that, we had a couple of active trades. AUDUSD, if you remember, reached take profit. There's the take profit, the green level. So we had a bounce back up, we went back up, we re-entered up here, kept going down, we re-entered over here, price kept going down, take profit was reached. The next one is GBPUSD, which almost reached its take profit, but we cut it. Check that out. Just about a pip from its take profit. How can I show you this now? You can see it right there, almost reaching it, barely a pip. So we went out of this one, and then we have USDCAD, which is just messing about. I'm still holding this one here. We had a nice breakout of the contraction. We're making a new contraction here. I re-entered here before the close, and we're targeting this level. So all in all, we've got a couple of active trades. We had quite a few take profits, so we are on a nice ride, and things are working out well. The sound in the background is my son playing with Legos. The other sound before that was the cat screaming for something. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. It is Saturday here. We're awaiting the new week. I'm going to be very active in the new week. I've got a very big goal for this month, and we are still halfway through the month right now. So I really am going to be increasing activity of trading, and I expect to be releasing much more alerts in the coming week. Remember that the community is still available for everyone to join. So if you're watching this, feel free to ping me by sending me an email at Denis with one N, DENIS @pipsmatter.com, and I'll get you in our community. Okay, that's it. All of this in 8 minutes, almost 9. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye.